What is SmartView? SmartView is a Microsoft Office add-in, and it allows us to access our live data from a number of Oracle Hyperion applications. In this e-learning, we're looking at Hyperion financial management applications, so we can retrieve this data principally in Excel, but also from Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and even Outlook. So don't be surprised if you see a SmartView ribbon not just in Excel, but also in Word, PowerPoint, and potentially Outlook. The key components of SmartView is that we have a SmartView panel, and this allows you to make a connection to the data source, to the HFM application in this case, and we'll see that we can have both shared and private connections. From the SmartView panel, you can also access data forms and even task lists. Another key component is member selection. We need to be able to select the dimensions that exist within our HFM application. So bear in mind these dimensions are typically hierarchical, and we can add them and include them into the SmartView environment, for example in Excel. We also have ad hoc analysis. This allows us to perform analysis on the HFM application. It gives us the freedom to select our dimensions and place them anywhere in the columns and rows, and then drill down into the hierarchical detail. So it lets you pivot, it lets you dice and splice the data, and build your own views. We also have functions. Functions allow you to build structured, formatted reports. Functions can be added to the spreadsheet that both read and write data to the HFM application. Functions can also display things such as descriptions for dimensions and the currencies for the entity. We can also use task lists to navigate through a whole list of tasks and documents that are available in HFM, and we can also open data forms as a way to both review and input data directly into HFM.